population is getting bigger. Maybe a great war will sweep the people over this world.
There's a fucking war in Philippines. I love the fucking war because I hate the fucking war. I just love fucking baby. Let me say. I want to the wedding dance of the fucking. You are most beautiful girl I ever met. Take this gift as a sign of my friendship. Because what you've done, not because of what tomorrow.
Why did you not invite me for their wedding banquet? How dare you? How dare you to have this?
I don't
Paris,
care.
the goddess of this board and this ship, was not invited? Oh my God, how dare you? Oh my God, you will taste my revenge. Your respect, Father Zeus. How dare you to have this banquet without my presence? I am Goddess Eris, the goddess of this horde.
I don't care.
This note is for me. No, it's mine. You both have to quarrel for this note. You both have to quarrel for this note. Why don't you let Father Zeus to decide who among us three is the most beautiful?
Can't decide my girls. I am greatly puzzled because all of you are beautiful. Therefore, I will send you to Paris, the friends of Troy, and let them decide who among you is the most beautiful.
Father Zeus sent us here for you to decide which among us is the most beautiful and will awarded with the golden apple.
Choose me, and I will grant you eminence, the power, and wealth.
If you award me the apple, I will make you the wisest man and great in war.
Dear Paris, give the golden apple to me, and I will give you to be your wife, and the fairest woman in the world.
Let me think. All of you have a great offers that a man could ever have. I choose to give the apple to Aphrodite.
We will attack Helen and take her in Troy.
We must join force to win this war against Troy. We must be skilled and gain more strength to endure until. Kailan ito ba ka nakabuhi? My princess, I love you. Achilles, I will kill you.
No! Stop!
Agamemnon, what you have done to me? You have taken all braces, even though she's my concubine and not my legal wife. I have loved her more than anything.
Achilles, please!
She's mine now. Agamemnon, I curse you and I promise that you will vanish for what you have done.
Achilles! What if, because of your absence in the battlefield, the Trojan lead by French sector make bold advance in the battle, and the Greeks are driven back? Their situation rapidly become worse until most of the leader are rounded and forced to leave the battle.
I will no longer fight